The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, welcome back to our English class. How are you all? Hope you all had a wonderful and healthy Onam, isn't it? I know you all are eagerly waiting for the story. In the previous class, we learned a story with moral that we should think before we do something. Otherwise, we will be in trouble. Now, we will learn the story with same moral. Okay, children, I will read the story. You listen to it carefully. Okay? Hope you all have done the activity that was given in the previous class. Let us now read a story about a rabbit and a lion. The rabbit and the lion. The name of the chapter is The Rabbit and the Lion. A long time ago, there lived many animals in a jungle. There were monkeys, deers, rabbits, elephants and birds. They lived together and all were happy. Long ago, in a forest, many animals were there. Jungle means forest. Okay? In a forest, there lived many animals like monkeys, deers, rabbits, elephants and many birds were there. They were all living happily. Okay? The animals in the forest, they were very happy. One day, a cruel and greedy lion made his home in the jungle. He killed many animals as and when it pleased. All the animals in the jungle were scared of him. One day, a lion came to the forest. When they were living happily, a lion came to the forest one day. The lion was a cruel animal, cruel and greedy animal, not kind. It always killed other animals, whatever it see in front of him. Okay? One day, a cruel and greedy lion made his home in the jungle. So, in the forest, a lion came to stay in the forest. It made its house, it made its home, it stayed in the forest. Okay? He killed many animals as and when it pleased him. The lion killed many animals. All the animals in the jungle were scared of him. Oh, scared means afraid, frightened, fear. Okay? All the animals in the jungle were scared, afraid of the lion. Why? The lion will kill. The animal comes in front of the lion. Okay? The animals had a plan. They spoke to the lion about this. Each day, one animal would go to the lion's den to be his meal. In return, the lion would stop killing many animals. So, the animals had a plan. One day, the animals, they had a plan. The animals, they decided to meet the lion with an idea. What is the idea? They spoke to the lion about this. What did they speak to the lion? They went to the lion to speak that each day one animal will come to the lion's den. Lion's den means lion's house, the place where the lion lives. Is the place where lions live. Okay. So each day one animal would go to the lion's den to be his meal. Every day one animal from one family, one animal will go to the lion's den. The animal will go to the lion's house and be his meal, be his food. The animal would be his food for the day. He should kill only that animal that is going to the lion's den. In return, the lion would stop killing many animals. Understood? The lion should not kill other animals. It should eat only the animal that is going to the lion's den. The lion agreed to this. The lion accepted this plan. The lion agreed to the animal's plan. Lion need not go. The animals will come to his house. So one day it was a rabbit's turn to go. He hopped very slowly. He did not want to go. The lion was very angry because the rabbit was late. So one day it was the turn of a rabbit. It was the rabbit's chance to go to the lion's den. So what did the rabbit do? Rabbit did not want to go. So he went slowly. Okay. He hopped very slowly. Hopped means just a jump. He did not want to go. The rabbit did not want to go to the lion's den. The lion was very angry because the rabbit was late. The lion got very angry. Why? Because the rabbit has not yet reached his den. Okay. Children, today we will stop the lesson here and we will continue it in the next class. Okay. I will read once more. The rabbit and the lion. A long time ago, there lived many animals in a jungle. There were monkeys, deer, rabbits, elephants and birds. They lived together and were all happy. One day, a cruel and greedy lion made his home in the jungle. He killed many animals as and when it pleased. All the animals in the jungle were scared of him. The animals had a plan. They spoke to the lion about this. Each day, one animal would go to the lion's den to be his meal. In return, the lion would stop killing many animals. The lion agreed to this. One day, it was a rabbit's turn to go. He hopped very slowly. He did not want to go. The lion was very angry because the rabbit was late. Children, what did you understand from this part of the story? In a forest, there lived many animals. They were all living happily, isn't it? Yes. Then, why they were not happy? Yes, one day a lion came to the forest and it made its home in the jungle. Then what happened? Yes, it killed the animals that it see in front of it. What was their plan? Yes, each day one animal will go to the lion's den to be the part of his meal. To be his meal. One day one animal will go to the lion's den to be his meal. Who went very slowly? Yes, the rabbit. It was rabbit's turn. He didn't want to go. So, the rabbit did not want to go. So, it went very slowly. Isn't it? Yes. So, we will continue the story in the next class. Children, hope you would have understood this session. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye. See you.